In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay the SPX correlation on any stock chart on TradingView. Understanding how a specific stock moves in relation to the S&P 500 is an essential skill for any trader looking to understand market context. By overlaying the SPX, you can quickly identify if a stock is showing relative strength, following the broader market, or moving independently. This setup helps you filter out market noise and focus on high probability setups that align with the overall market trend, making your analysis far more robust. First, start by logging into your TradingView account and opening up the chart of the stock you wish to analyze. For this example, let's say we are looking at Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Once you are in the main chart view, look toward the top toolbar, specifically to the right of the symbol search box. You will see a small plus icon, which is the Compare or Add Symbol button. Click on that icon. From there, a search dialog box will appear. In the search field, type SPX and select the S&P 500 index from the list of results. After you select it, a small menu will pop up asking how you want to add the symbol to your current view. To get a clean overlay, I recommend choosing New Price Scale. This action will place the SPX price line directly over your current stock chart, but will give it its own independent y-axis on the right side. This prevents the price scale of the S&P 500, which is in the thousands, from squashing the price scale of your stock. Now, if you want to see a technical statistical measurement of the relationship, we need to add the correlation coefficient indicator. Move your cursor back to the top toolbar and click on the Indicators button. In the search box that pops up, type correlation coefficient and select the official built-in version provided by TradingView. You will notice a new pane opens up at the very bottom of your chart window. This indicator calculates a numerical value between -1 and +1. However, by default, it might be tracking a different symbol or just the price change of the stock itself. To fix this, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator in the bottom pane and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, click on the Inputs tab. Look for the field labeled Symbol and type SPX into that box to ensure the indicator is comparing your stock to the S&P 500. You can also see a length field, which defaults to 20. This means the correlation is calculated based on the last 20 candles. You can leave this as is or adjust it based on your specific trading style or time frame. From there, click on the Style tab if you want to change the color of the correlation line to make it stand out more against your chart background. Once you are happy with the settings, click OK. Now look at the values displayed. A correlation coefficient of 1 means the stock is moving in perfect lockstep with the S&P 500. A value of 0 means there is no relationship at all, and a value of -1 means the stock moves in the exact opposite direction. This information is incredibly powerful for confirming if a stock's breakout is genuine or just a result of the whole market lifting up. To wrap things up, having both the visual price overlay and the correlation coefficient indicator gives you a complete view of how your favorite stocks interact with the broader market. It is a simple yet effective way to add professional-grade context to your technical analysis. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider subscribing for more TradingView tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading.